if you're not multi-apping, if you're not running multiple apps, you know, yes, if you're doing Uber, you should be doing Lyft. It's just something you should do. Because if you look at these two screenshots right here, you're seeing a very, very similar ride. Almost.
No. By the way, sorry. So when I sent you this, I didn't send you the details. This isn't exactly the same chip. This is an identical chip.
Okay. Yeah,
so
the way the map looked on both Uber and Lyft, it looked very, very similar, but I wasn't sure.
It's identical chip. It's same passenger, ordered one on Lyft, one on Uber. Okay. And they're both going to the Trump National Golf Course in LA, which is in Pacific Palisades. It's identical. Even if you look at the map, Lyft algo took a little bit of a different route, right? But if you look at the pickup time, if you look at the drop off, the mileage is literally the same. The only difference in mileage, half a mile, is because the driver on the Lyft one was about half mile away, and on the one that he took was right on top of the passenger. So these are identical trips, and the screenshots are taken within 30 seconds apart, meaning the Lyft request came in and then the Uber request came in. Okay.
Yeah.
And
for those who are listening, basically it's two different screenshots, one from Lyft, one from Uber. For Lyft, it's again the same ride. You know, you're going almost 33 miles, around 33 miles according to their calculations, and it's not very far in terms of the pickup. And Lyft is offering the driver $24.51 for a 46-minute trip, rated at 32.4 miles, and it's only half a mile to the pickup. While Uber is giving quite a bit more at $36.49 for the driver. More. And that is, again, you know, the 40 plus minutes, 33.1 miles to the same destination. So, yeah, you could see almost $12 right there.
That's 50% more than Lyft Uber is paying. Lyft is $24.51. That's $12. $12 is 50% more than Lyft. What Lyft is. Lyft is out of control right now. What Lyft is doing, the algo, I figured this out finally. I am pretty sure they're short in their quarter. I mean, they are absolutely ripping into the passenger now and lowering the pay as much as they can, you know, on the driver's side. I mean, that's just ridiculous. Okay. To me, it's like, you know, a lot of drivers are working only for Lyft maybe, but hey man, you got to multi-app. If you're only doing rideshare, you got to look at both apps. I mean, I have two phones. I could not suggest strongly, and we're going to do a segment, you know, we're going to do a show on my little tips and tricks when I'm driving out there. You guys need to have two phones. It doesn't have to be, you know, something major. You can go buy a junk phone on eBay, but you got to see what your offers are. And on the same phone, sometimes it can become overwhelming. You know, your data plan is, I'm sure we all have unlimited plans. So what's the problem? Use two phones, see what you're doing. Don't drive blind. So to me, this is proof, to me, enough proof that, and this comes from a source that I trust completely. So, hey, I mean, if you took that Lyft trip and said, didn't say decline garbage on that, and look where you are. I mean, within a minute, you're getting the same offer on Uber at 36. You know, at 36 still, you know, I mean, literally, I would say at 36 and what it's taking me, probably a doable trip, but at 24, definite decline garbage. No doubt about it, right?
Yeah, that's the exact thought. And I'm not in the LA area, but when I was looking at that, I'm like, that would be that. Why would you take the Lyft one versus the Uber one? Granted, if you're only on Lyft, this is what you're going to see. If you're only on Uber, you're only going to see. But this is when it comes to the same trip on both platforms. This is something where we're able to show that. But when it comes down to the availability that you have and that you put yourself out there, if you're allowing yourself to be on multiple apps, again, I'm going to say it over and over again for those who continue saying, well, I'm only doing Uber, or I'm only doing Lyft, or I'm only doing DoorDash, whatever. No, you should be doing everyone, because the more that you're open is the greater chance that you're going to get some order or ride coming in where you're going to actually be making money. You're not making money sitting there. You're not making money. You're losing money if you're just driving around aimlessly. Yeah. You want to sit there, you want to wait for something to come in, and you want to make sure it's actually going to be worth it for you. Yeah. If not, you know, the only time you're making money is when somebody's in the car. But again, you need to check and double check to make sure it's actually going to be something that's going to be a profit versus a loss when you're on that particular ride or delivery.
Yeah. Well, I mean, the thing, no, yeah, we Zoom is here. Look, after a couple of weeks of vacation, I think. So, there is a lot of comments that I'm just, we're going to hit this, again. You remember we were talking about people driving more because of this rain in LA. We had a lot of detours that drivers had to drive more. I'm getting a lot of complaints that the prices are not being adjusted up. Remember the Uber and Lyft said, a lot longer, if it lasts a lot further, a lot longer. I think they changed it a lot longer in the algo again. I don't know. I mean, if I'm driving 10 extra minutes because of the rain to do detours, you got to fucking pay me for that. I don't know. You know what I'm saying? So, but we have some stuff I'm working on that one. I think, I mean, that needs to get fixed. This is not charity. We're not doing this for free, right? Hey, Dave, the Uber slave is here. So yeah, I definitely multi-app. I mean, look, things are slow. If you can be on 5 different apps as an independent contractor, if you have Spark, if you have Shipped, I know they're all garbage. Somebody said they're all garbage. Okay, they're all garbage. Let's take that. But there is better garbage than worse garbage, I guess, if for a lack of better word. And if you're going to decline garbage, I would definitely decline that Lyft garbage and then take that Uber garbage. Although Uber garbage puts me at $36 on active hour. Remember the DK, $36? That was exactly 30. That would put me at $36 active hour.
Yep.
So there you go.
All right, thanks for watching. That short little clip was from our live stream, Show Me the Money Club with Sergio and myself, Tuesdays, 6 p.m. Eastern, 3 p.m. Pacific. Make sure you subscribe, turn on all notifications so you get notified when we go live, as well as all of our awesome content. Make sure to check out this video right here, which will take you to the entire live stream, or check out this video right there. All right, drive smart, everyone.